Takes it easy.
Alright, hold what you got.
Release the mini drones.
Eagle in sight, cleared hot.
Got a heat sink. Second stack, closest to the bow.
Predator 01, captured target area.
Set charges.
Gunfighter 01, Eagle's moving. Internal. There. Hold it up. I'm at dual point.
Squadman A3, Squadman Sight on rooftop. Rear sight on rooftop.
That's no platoon on standby.
Let that helo know we're moving external.
I got it.
South 6-1, Bravo 6 forward. Ship right, ship right.
Crack it steel!
Fire!
Missiles out, danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Hold fire! Cannot see, I've been injured.
Lock him in. Lock him in.
Medical Officer Ratchet. I'm a friend. I'm an Autobot.
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please!
Check fire, check fire.
He's mine now. Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.